welcome to Plush2x Vegan Kitchen, PVK, and I'm Plush2x. Today I'm going to show you a couple of plant-based milk that you can substitute your animal's milk with. These plant-based milk, they're a lot healthier than animal's milk. In case you didn't know, animal's milk, unlike what they tell you, does not do our body good, okay? Animal's milk cause bone deficiency, osteoporosis, let me see what else. It causes a lot of different things. Arthritis is not good for you, okay? And plus, it harms the poor animals. You know, the poor cows, they get raped for dairy. In case you don't know, cows get hooked to these things called a rape rack. They call it a rape rack. So these people, the animal agriculture and farmers, they know what they're doing. They're putting the cows in a rape rack so the cows can't move when they shove stuff in their anus for the artificial insemination to impregnate them so that they can squeeze milk for you guys. And that's animal cruelty, okay? You're raping cows, and then when the cows give their babies, when they're born their babies, if it's male, they're killed for veal. And if it's females, they live a horrible, torturous life like their mother did. And they don't get to be around their mom. And if the ones that are around their mom, they don't get to drink their milk. They have this spike thing on their face on the farms, and they can't actually drink from the mother's milk. Every time they try to drink from the mother's milk, it's poking the mother. And that's really sad. It is really, really sad. I have a picture on that on my Facebook page if you want to see what I'm talking about with the spike thing. My link is Nasser Ahmed, N-O-S-R. Oh no, it's for N-O-S-R-A-T, and last name Ahmed, A-H-M-E-D. I don't use that site much, but I use my other page, which is Plush2x Songs, P-L-U-S-H-T-W-O-X Songs. Alright, back to the show. Now there's a couple of plant-based milk that you can use, right? There's rice milk, there's sesame milk, sunflower milk, pea milk. No, not urine milk. It's pea, like pea in the pod, you know, peas in the pod. They have that kind of milk. But I don't have those ones today, but I do have 5 different kinds that I'm going to show you today. There's soy milk, coconut milk, almond milk, cashew milk, and oat milk. Alright? And here it is. And the prices, oh, let me tell you about the prices. The prices is actually decent, okay? These milk, they're not expensive. They're like $3, and the oat milk is like $5, because you know sometimes people complain about vegan stuff being expensive, which is true because sometimes vegan stuff are pretty pricey, especially the meat substitute. But yeah, these are decent prices. So yeah, let me show you a few of them. It's this one. I got a couple of varieties to show here. So this one here is a different brand as well. So this one is almond milk, original. Original is usually sweeter than the unsweetened one, which is back here. I'm going to show you different ones here. And this one is original that's got sweet. Here's the ingredients. Let me turn the light on. I'm trying not to make this video so long, so if it seems like I'm rushing, sorry. You can pause and look at it. Here it is right here. And you can make smoothies with these too, by the way. They make a good smoothie. They taste good. I normally use water, but this makes a nice creamy texture as well. And then there's let's see. There's original. This is the almond. There's this one is vanilla almond flavor. There's the ingredients on this one. And there's also soy vanilla, because this one is almond flavor vanilla. This one is soy. In case you don't do nuts, there's also soy and vanilla. And the ingredients is right here. You can pause and see that. And now these are the ones that are a little sweeter, you know, vanilla. And then the other one. And now here's the also soy original, because this is almond original with the sweeter. And there's the ingredients on this one here. Now, if you want them not sweetened, you know, if you have a recipe that calls for, you know, you don't want sweetness, they have unsweetened. Now, this is coconut right here, unsweetened. Ingredients right here. Here's an almond unsweetened. There's the ingredients right here. And here's the soy milk unsweetened. Also, like I said, these are healthier. As you can see, this says 50% more calcium than milk. So there's no point in actually, you know, saying that you need your vitamins and healthy. This is healthy as well. Oh yeah, there's a cashew unsweetened. This one is actually mixed with almond, a little bit of almond. I don't know why it's not just cashews, but it's got a little bit of almond in there. So, but it tastes more like cashew. So that's unsweetened. And then there's this one. There's the oat milk. And the ingredients right here. Did I show the ingredients on this one? I don't think I did. Here's the ingredients for the cashew. Like I said, if I'm rushing, I'm sorry. I don't want this video to be this long. I don't even know if I have this much minutes on here for my camera. I haven't emptied out the old videos on here. I have like 5 other videos that's on here. And it's only like a 40-minute camera. So I haven't checked. And this one is low fat. Now the only difference that I see between this and this one for the oat milk, this one is not as condensed. I'm gonna pour it and show you right now. Let me put this down. This one here is a little more condensed than this one. So I prefer this one though, actually. But yeah, let me show you. 1 minute. Difference between the oatmeal and all right. There's this one. Oh man, I shouldn't have shook it because now that I'm shaking it, it might be you gonna see the foams and stuff on the top, but you can still see the difference in the color. Okay, it's not. See how much a little bit darker this one is? This is the regular one, and this is the low fat one. Okay, yeah, it's just a little. It's a little lighter. This one is more condensed, like I said. It's more. I mean, it's still liquidy, but you know, you can taste a little more condensed. So that is it. There is no excuse to keep participating in animal cruelty. There's plenty of plant-based options, and they're way more healthier. Okay. Stay tuned for more vegan everything on Plush2x's Vegan Kitchens. Okay? Have a good day. Peace. I have to stop doing this. I did a research on what this means, and it's not good. There's signs and different things. Go on my website. I mean, not website, on my page, and just check it out. There's signs that are no good that I don't want to use anymore. So, like I said, I'm going to stop using this. I'm not going to stop saying peace, but this actually means something different in another world. But anyway. And have a good day.